Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is well. Good afternoon, good evening. Depends on when you're watching this. I just thought I would make a short video on cleaning while disabled. It's not easy because I'm doing that right now. I'm sorry, I'm sitting in my ponytail here. I just got done vacuuming my dining room and my kitchen. And the way I do it is, and my advice is, do as much as you can. And then when you can't, just stop. When you clean, I don't want to make this sound, I don't know. The bottom line is the mess is still going to be there later. So don't push yourself to the point where you're going to pay for it for the next 5 days. Do what you can while you can. Do your biggest, heaviest tasks first. And do them in increments if you have to, like cleaning a bathroom. Cleaning a bathroom is extremely hard for me. And I will be honest, I usually have somebody that comes and cleans for me once a week because I can't clean the tubs and the showers and wash the floors and do all that. I have a friend who comes and does that for me. She wasn't able to come this week, so I'm vacuuming because I have 5 dogs. So what I would suggest is on the day that you're feeling better than normal, if you have a bathroom to clean your bathroom. Start out with your toilet. Do your toilet first. If you get tired when you're done, sit a little bit. Take a rest. Then move on and do your countertop, your countertops and your sink and your sink or sinks. When you're done with that, take a rest. Then do the floor. When you're done with that, then hit the tub and the shower last. Because I don't know if that's the way for you. For me, the showers and the tubs are the hardest. So whatever is the hardest for you in the bathroom, I always do that last. Because if I do it first, it's going to zap all my energy and then I can't do anything else. So like right now, I just got done vacuuming my dining room and my kitchen. And I'm taking a rest and I'm just taking a break. When I get done here, what I want to do is I want to go in there and clean out the dining room table because that seems to be our landing ground for everything. I'm going to clean up that. I'm going to get the dishes all done and I'm going to take a break. And when I'm done with that, then I'm going to go in the dining room and I'm going to dust everything and polish the table and take a break. And when I'm done with that, then I will start my kitchen. I will scrub my stove. I will scrub my counters. I will do my cabinets, my doorknobs. And then I will scrub my sink. But I do it in increments and I take a break in between. If there's times where I feel like I can only do a certain thing, I just do that and then I'm done for the day. You got to use your spoons or your energy where you can, when you can. And if it doesn't get done, don't beat yourself up for it. I don't know if there's any of you that are like I used to be. I used to be a perfectionist. Everything had to get done right then. And it had to be done perfectly. And as I've gotten older, what I realize is that life is not constantly cleaning my house so that everything is perfect. The mess isn't going anywhere. It's still going to be there. So if I don't get to it today, maybe I'll get to it tomorrow. So just learn to go at your own pace. Give yourself some grace. You're doing the best you can. So I hope this helps. I hope everybody's well. As always, I hope God is blessing you. And I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.